Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Catherine, and this is the channel where we talk about how to make money online, especially through freelance writing and affiliate marketing. So guys, today I'm here with a very amazing video. I had not planned on shooting a video today, but this deal is just too good to pass. I just couldn't keep this to myself. So I decided to shoot this video to tell you guys of a great opportunity, right, for a client who's going to pay you $750 article. And this, guys, is time sensitive. So just watch this video to the end because I'll share with you where you will get this job, like where you will apply, how you should apply in order to get it. And it's actually been posted just today. So stay tuned. And after you watch this to the end, make sure you just go and apply today, guys. And the sooner you apply, the better. So, yeah. And before I continue, if you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel because this is where I share with you all the good stuff about making money online. So let's get right into it, guys. So the job I'm talking about is on Reddit. And if you're not on Reddit, you had better just create an account today and start getting your jobs from there, like looking for job opportunities as a freelance writer because there are so many. So I will show you, first of all, the proof that this client is actually going to pay you $750 article. So here, as you can see, compensation rate is approximately $0.15. That's 15 cents in terms of USD or $25 per hour. And to prove that it's going to pay you $750 per article, this is what he says, that the stories vary from 2,200 words to 5,000 words depending on the topic. So guys, if you write a 5,000 word article and the pay is 15 cents, how much is that? That's $750. So guys, let me take you step by step. Let me not jump the gun. You'll get the link in the description box below of this job advertisement. So the client is looking for multiple freelance writers interested in business, finance, and crime. That's a really good thing because it means they're not just limited to getting one writer. So guys, don't debate too much about applying for this job. If you are looking for freelance writing jobs, apply to this one because it seems they're going to take a lot of writers. Okay, so I won't read the whole of it, but I'll read specific areas as I give you direction on what you should be doing. Okay. So he says, if you're okay, he or she, if you're looking for a stable, remote, long-term writing position with room to grow, then this is the position for you. First of all, I like the fact that they've emphasized that it's remote, and as you're going to read the whole job posting, you'll realize that they're not restricting to only native English speakers. So, guys, my fellow countrymen in Kenya and every other part of the world that are not native English speakers, yes, do not shy away from this job. Just apply. Then, so I'll jump to this section, who you'll be working with. They're saying you'll be helping write for a YouTube channel similar to these channels. So I advise you to click on these two links and look at those channels and get an idea of what you will be doing. But let it not freak you out because the thing is they want you to write something like scripts, but provided you're going to follow the instructions, they will guide you for sure when you start writing for them. I'm sure this is something you can be able to do if you've been a writer for some time. You can, because the whole point of writing a script is writing something in story form. Okay, so these are the details of what they require. It's going to be a part-time job with potential for full-time. Then the stories will vary from 2,200 words to 5,000 words, depending on the topic. Flexible work schedule, but ideally, you'll be able to write at least one story per week, guys. One story per week. Imagine if you write 5,000 words per week. Isn't that doable? That means you'll be making $750 per week. And even if the article is going to be 2,200 words, I did the calculation already, and you're going to be making $330 per week. Just writing one article. How good can this, and how much better can this be? So the stories, the topics will include business, finance, crime, war, etc. Then you'll be writing stories that will be narrated as scripts, as I told you. It is fully remote. That's amazing. Requirements, you're flexible enough to be able to learn how to write in a different style quickly with instructions. Yes, that's good, because if they'll say they're going to give you instructions, that's really good, because they'll guide you. They don't expect you to know exactly what to do from the beginning on your own. They'll guide you, which is a good thing. Then you should be able to research. This is paramount as a writer. English must be proficient. It just means you really have to have great English. Like, yes, you don't have to be a native English speaker. That's, you see, they've not specified that, so don't shy away from this. Then please mention your favorite author book in your application, so we can be sure you read the requirements. Guys, make sure you remember to mention your favorite author or book, because you see, they're going to use this to know, to detect if you actually read the full job application, this posting. Okay, then do not apply if people can tell your English is not proficient in writing. You can't provide previous writing samples. That means they want samples. They've written that down below. Then you're unwilling to produce a sample writing task that we provide. So meaning, it's like they'll give you a test article to write, most likely, if you're shortlisted. So you have to look out for that. Another thing I like about them is that their payment options are so varied. They can pay you through PayPal, TransferWise, or wire transfer. And if you ask me, the best is TransferWise, which is nowadays called wise.com. So that's good. You have flexible, payment channels. Then they've specified, if interested, please PM, which is, private message them or inbox them, 2 to 3 examples of the best stuff you've written. They've said do not include more than 2 to 3 examples, because we will not have time to review them all. So guys, make sure you stick to 2 to 3 samples. Send them 2 to 3 samples. Do this. Do not send 1. Do not send 4. Send 2 or 3 only, okay? Please follow instructions. This will increase your chances of getting in. So how will you apply? They've said you should DM them. Let me show you how you'll do that, because in case you're not familiar with Reddit, you may be wondering, where will you send the inbox, like send the message, the private message. So just click on, this is the person who's posted this job ad. So you can just click on it. Let me right click so that this remains open. Let me open it on another tab. So you're going to inbox this person. It's taking a bit long. Let's just wait for it. This is their page, okay? You will go to more options and then click on send message. And you will have that box appearing right here. Yes, exactly. This is it. So you write your subject here. You can write something like, freelance writer, or okay, they didn't specify what subject you should write, so you can choose anything. Or you can say something like freelance writer in business, finance, and crime niche, something like that. Or just pick something that's catchy. But it's whatever you write, it's fine, because they've not specified what they want you to write as a subject line. Then the message. So this should be like your cover letter, and including, like, point out the things that that make you qualify for this job. So you can repeat some of these requirements, like say you're proficient in English, talk about you are an avid social media user. You can actually send them your link to, if you're on YouTube or on TikTok or Instagram or even Facebook, just repeat some of the things that they've mentioned as their requirements in your cover letter. Okay, yeah. And then remember to mention your favorite author or book, and then include 2 to 3 samples of your work, preferably in these niches that they want you to write in, that is business, finance, and crime. Any of those. If you do not have any article written in these niches, still do not shy away. Just send the samples you have, because this thing is time sensitive. Just send the samples that you have, and hopefully they will note that your English is good and your writing style is perfect, and you can still be shortlisted. So don't fear that, but preferably if you have articles in these niches, those are the ones you should use. And that's it. And then you send. And guys, wait for the response. Yeah, so make sure if you'll be checking your inbox here on Reddit to get feedback from them. Guys, I wish you the very best. Apply for this job and start earning approximately $750 per article every week. So that's the process, guys. Make sure you apply right now or before the end of today. Why I'm emphasizing that is because, as you can see, it has been posted 16 hours ago. I don't know what time you'll be watching this video, but if you're watching it today, you're in luck, because the sooner you apply, the better. Guys, remember to subscribe, because this is where I share with you all the good stuff about making money online through freelance writing and affiliate marketing. See you on the next video. Bye bye, guys.